Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Huawei wireless mouse using an easy method. First, make sure your mouse has working batteries. Most Huawei wireless mice use 1 or 2 AA or AAA batteries. Next, locate the power switch on the bottom of your mouse and slide it to the on position. Finally, ensure your computer's Bluetooth is active and ready to pair with new devices. Now, let's get your mouse into pairing mode. On the underside of your Huawei wireless mouse, you'll find a small connect or pairing button. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 seconds. You'll notice an indicator light on the mouse start to blink quickly. This rapid blinking confirms your mouse is now discoverable and ready to connect with your computer. With your mouse in pairing mode, it's time to connect it to your computer. Navigate to your computer's Bluetooth settings. On Windows, this is usually found in Settings under Devices. On Mac, it's in System Settings under Bluetooth. Look for New Devices and select your Huawei mouse from the list. You might see a prompt to confirm the connection. Simply accept it. Congratulations! Your Huawei wireless mouse should now be successfully connected and ready to use. Test its movement and click functionality to ensure everything is working perfectly. The indicator light on the mouse will typically stop blinking and either remain solid or turn off, indicating a stable connection. You are now ready to enjoy smooth and efficient wireless navigation with your Huawei mouse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.